Hello everyone, welcome to Sunny Lessons. Today we discuss about the how to find the LCM of the given numbers. Everyone should observe the video till end. Everyone subscribe this video and share it. Least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple of two or more natural numbers is the least natural number. That is the multiple of the given numbers. LCM can be determined by three methods. First one is by writing the multiples of given numbers. Second one is the prime factorization method. Third one is division method. First we have to go to LCM of the numbers by writing the multiples of given numbers. To find the LCM two or more numbers, the steps given below are followed. First one is write the given numbers. Second one is write the multiples of the given number. Third one is write of all the common multiples. Yes, fourth one is choose the least common multiple from them. Let us take an example. Find the LCM of 2 and 3. Yes, write the given numbers. Given numbers are 2 and 3. Write the multiples of the given numbers. So, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Next, write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Yes, the third step is write off all the common multiples. Common multiples of 2 and 3. What are the common multiples of 2 and 3? 6, 12 and so on. Right. The common multiples of 2 and 3, 6, 12 and so on. Here the last step is choose the least common multiple from them. What is the least common multiple of 2 and 3? That is 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Let us go to second example. Find the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. In this case, we have to take the given numbers 2, 4, 5. Write the second step. Write the multiples of the given numbers. So, the multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40 and so on. Write the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80 and so on. The multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 and so on. These are the multiples of 2, these are the multiples of 4, these are the multiples of 5. Yes. What is the third step? Write off all the common multiples. What are the common multiples here? 20, 20, 20. Next, the common multiple is 40, 40, 40. Write the common multiples of 2, 4 and 5. Common multiples of 2, 4 and 5. 20, 40, 60 and so on. The fourth step is choose the least common multiple from them. So what is the least common multiple of 2, 4 and 5? 20. So that is the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. The second method is LCM of numbers by prime factorization method. To find the LCM of 2 or more natural numbers by prime factorization method, we have to follow the given steps. Resolve each of the given numbers into prime factors. ప్రతి నెంబర్ ని కూడా మనము ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ లో రాయాలి. And express the factors obtained in exponential form. రాసిన తర్వాత వాటిని మనం exponential form లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. Find the product of the highest powers of all factors that occur in any one of the given number. ఏ నెంబర్ కైతే హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఉందో వాటిని మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. Product obtained step 2 is the required LCM. ఆ తర్వాత మనము ప్రొడక్ట్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే గివెన్ నెంబర్స్ తాలూకా LCM అవుతుంది. Let us take an example. Find the LCM of 15 and 24. What is the first step? Resolve each of the given numbers into its prime factors. Write the prime factors of 15. 3, 5. What are the prime factors of 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Yes. After that, express the factors obtained in exponential form. Write the exponential form. This is 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is 2 cube into 3 power 1. After that, find the product of the highest powers of all factors that occur in any of the given numbers. The LCM of 15 and 24. Here we have to take the all factors 2, 3 and 5. Yes. What is said? Find the product of the highest powers. What is the highest power of 2? Yes, 3. What is the highest power of 3? 1. What is the highest power of 5? 1. So product them. 2 cube means 8. 8 into 3 into 5. Yes. 8 3 is 24. 24 5 is 120. So the LCM of the given numbers 15 and 24 is 120. Next, the second example is find the LCM of 3 to the power of 2010 into 5 to the power of 1729 into 7 to the power of 6000 into 5 to the power of 2719 into 7 to the power of 1469. Yes, in this sum, he has to given the exponential form. So, the LCM of the given numbers is write the prime factors 3, 5 and 7. Yes, what is the highest power of 3? 2010. What is the highest power of 5? 2719. What is the highest power of 7? 6174. Product them. This is the LCM of the given numbers. Next, the third model is LCM of numbers by synthetic division method. In this case, we have to follow the below steps. First one is write all the given numbers in a line separating them with comma. Find the numbers which divides at least 2 of the numbers. Divide the numbers which are divisible by the number chosen in step 2 and write the quotients below. Each of them carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Repeat step 2 and step 3 until all quotients are co-primes to each other. Let us take an example. Find the LCM of 30, 60, 90. Yes, what is the first step? Write the all given numbers in a line separating them with a comma. So take 30, 60, 90. Yes, the second step is find the number which divides at least two of the numbers. Yes, we have to select one number to divide at least two of number. Yes, we have to take 2. 2 15s, 2 30s, 2 45s. Next, we have to take the 3. 3 5s, 3 10s, 3 15s. Next, we have to take 5. 5 1s, 5 2s, 5 3s. At last, all quotients are co-primes to each other. 1, 2, 3 are co-primes. In this case, the LCM of 30, 60, 90 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. 2 3 6 6 5 30, 32s 60, 63s 180. So the LCM of 30, 60, 90 is 180. Let us take the shortcut method to find the LCM of 9, 24 and 36. Among these, 36 is greater. So the LCM is either 36 or multiples of 36. So 24 is not a multiple of 36. 9 is not a multiple of 36. Here two options are there, 36 and 72. The LCM of 9, 24, 36. So the number which is divisible by 9, 24 and 36. 36 is not divisible by 24. So our option is 72. The second example, the LCM of 4, 6, 18. Among these, 18 is greater. So the LCM is either 18 or multiples of 18. Here 12 is not multiple of 18. 18, 54, 36 are the multiples of 18. Here what he asked, find the LCM of 4, 6, 18. So the given numbers must be divisible by 4, 6 and 18. So 18 is not divisible by 4. Like that 54 is not divisible by 4. So our answer is 36. The LCM of 4, 6, 18 is 36. ఈ రకంగా మనము ఏవైనా నంబర్స్ ఇస్తే ఎల్సిఎం ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో 3 మెథడ్స్ తెలుసుకున్నాము. అదే విధంగా షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్లు అయితే ఎలా చేయాలో తెలుసుకున్నాం. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.